it says it is forbidden to listen to the gossip when it involves the others, and even more so if it involves how others dislike the listener himself. So that's just amazing, right? When there is a constructive purpose, the listener in the listener knowing such an information, listening may be permissible. This will be discussed later. It is forbidden to listen to accounts of how others spoke negatively about one's family's members or friends. Such a listening usually serves no constructive purpose and causes the listener to dislike the person mentioned. So that's a classic case, as we said, we called it Rechilus, right? So to listen whatever they said bad about my family, that's absolutely forbidden. Okay.